Add a circle, 64 vertices. Shift D, scale up, checker deselect, scale down, convert to curve, add NURBS curve, rotate on x-axis, extrude, again extrude, in curve properties, object, select the curve, Alt S, scale on x-axis, Alt S, convert to mesh, check the faces whether they are in reverse, select these faces, Shift N, click inside, select the all faces, separate them by loose spots, select the outer layer, select these faces, extrude, align on z-axis, delete the faces, click on F, I, insert, again insert, click on circle in loop tools, fit inside, scale it, in the face mode, click on poke faces, select checker deselect, select this vertex, in edge mode, dissolve edges, select these two layers, combine them by clicking J, select this edge and this edge, click on F, select these edges, deselect these two edges, click on Ctrl F and grid fill, select this edge and this edge, click on F, deselect these two edges, Ctrl F, grid fill, here is overlapping, click on relax, then space, here also, click on relax, space, here also, add subdivision surface modifier, add edge loop here, select these edge loops, move on z-axis, select these edge loops, Ctrl B,